Hey, guys! Welcome back to my channel, Tech It's Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your GPC Connect employee account. To do so, follow some simple steps, which I'm going to show you. Firstly, open your web browser and search for GPC Connect Employee Login. You can see results here. Click on the first option, DPC, or you can type in sam1.to.dp.com. GPC means Genuine Parts Company. Click on the fourth option. It will take you to the login page of GPC. Over here, enter your username like this and password in the appropriate fields like this. In case if you guys forgot your password, you can recover it by clicking here, Forgot, or you can unlock your password by clicking here, Unlock. Also, you can verify your identity by clicking on Napa Identity Management. Once you do that, click on Login. You should be able to log into your GPC Connect employee account. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest videos. Drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.